Good morning, everyone. This is Industrial. We are back with a new design which can change your life. Simple, easy, but make your life more comfortable, more luxury. See this. We all know about it. A very simple, easy, and traditional wrench. But have you seen that all these kind of shapes can be driven by only one? Yes, with only one. Not only this, but 13 design can be driven only with one simple design. Looks like easy, but not that one. Okay, just check it out. Here we are. See, we go one by one. Here, fix. Another one. Fix. Here, another one. Fix. Here, the round off is still fixed, pretty tight. Here, the normal hexagon, fix. The square one, fix. Wow, this is industrial, leading you to the new one, new technology. Check it out.